One of my favorite things to eat is pancit. Any day, anytime, kakain ako ng pancit. But today, we are making it more special because we are making crispy pancit canton. So, let's start cooking!
Simpol, luto na
So when you are cooking dishes, stir-fried dishes, it's very important that you prepare everything ahead of time. So ito siya, nakikita mo yung mga vegetables ko, aking quail eggs, have been prepared earlier para when we cook, mabilisan na lang siya. And this is what I did. Okay, ito yung ginagawa natin. Piniprep ko na yung aking vegetables and aking seafood, no? So, ito ang aking carrots, ang aking leeks, no? I will just cut it diagonally. So, everything will be ready. Aking quail eggs. Look at that. Napakuluan na. So that later on, pag-gisa natin, ready na tayo magluto. Hindi na tayo mag-slice habang nagigisa tayo. So, ito, meron akong mushrooms. Yan. Everything is there. Nakahilera na siya. So, gagawin na natin yung ating squid. I will just show you. We will prepare our squid. Yan. Open, no? Cut it, no? Ako, pag nag-prepare ako ng squid, hindi ko tinatanggal yung kanyang balat because that has a lot of flavor, no? So, ito, we will just cut, no? Score our squid. Actually, ako, every time I cook, it is a professional practice talaga na pine-prepare talaga natin lagi yung ating ingredients bago tayo magsimula magluto para dire-diretso tayo nagluluto. Especially kung gumagamit kayo ng ingredients na quick cooking time. And I will just blanch my carrots, but before that, kumukulo yung aking tubig, asinan muna natin. Yan, salt water, and we will add our carrots. Titingnan mo ha, titingkad ng kulay ng ating carrots. Then ito kasi matagal maluto yung carrots, inuna ko siya. Then now I will add my bok choy, which I will also use for garnish. So, ilalagay ko na rin akong bok choy. It cooks very quickly, no? So ito siya, in just a minute or less than a minute, pwede mo na siyang tanggalin. It's already part cooked. Look at that, no? So sobrang ganda ng ating orange. We'll put it in an ice bath. Oh, aking bok choy, look at that. Very nice. Bright green color. Kung ginisa ko to, magiging dark green siya. I will shock it, no? So, ito blanch, ito shock, no? So, these tips are, makikita nyo sa ating Kitchen Secrets cookbook to make life easier for you. Yan. Yan. So, tapos na tayo sa ating vegetables. Nadalhin natin yung ating bok choy. Look at that, no? Very nice. So, inuna ko yung vegetables, no? Then, I will also blanch my seafood. I will blanch my shrimp and my squid, no? Unahin ko lang yung shrimp ko kasi mas matagal maluto yung aking shrimp compared sa aking squid. It doesn't have to be fully cooked because gigisa pa naman natin siya. Yan, I will just scoop it out and now put it into my ice water and that's now ready. So, eto siya. If you want to use it, you can keep it in your chiller for a few days. 2 days, 3 days, and it will be ready to use anytime na siya. In less than a minute and 30 seconds, it's already done. So, eto siya. The key here is to prepare everything ahead of time so that when we fry our egg noodles, sobrang bilis din ang pagluto ng kanyang sauce so that crispy and mainit pa yung ating noodles and our sauce is freshly cooked and we just pour it when we serve our dish. Ay, sobrang sarap talaga nito and pangpabuenas talaga tong pancit. And to taste the Good Life, may special deals ang Good Life. Just go to their Facebook page and check the details, no? And maganda kasi sa Good Life Egg Noodles is that it's made with real eggs and sobrang yung linamnam. And ito siya, di ba? Ang egg noodles nila, ito siya, yung egg noodles kasi nila, is steamed and not fried. So when you fry it, hindi siya maging double greasy, no? And I will just break this. Woohoo! Look at that, no? Bubbles up very quickly. So when you fry, it's very important that your oil is really hot enough, number one. And number two, that your pot is big enough na yung oil mo is only 1/3 level para pag when you put your noodles, hindi siya mag-overflow, no? Hindi ka magkakalat and you won't endanger yourself from getting burned, no? And very quickly, no, in less than a minute, meron tayong crispy noodles. Scoop it out. Yan. Sobrang bilis ng ating buhay. Yan. Ito, pang pamilya talaga tong ating noodles. So, look at that. Ah, it's very crispy. Yan. Walang sayang. Let the excess oil drip off. And now, we will make the sauce. I will garnish it with my bok choy. And now, I will prepare my sauce. I have oyster sauce, soy sauce. Yan. Ito, may konti akong Chinese wine, a teaspoon or so. Cornstarch, ito yung pangpalapot natin. Dissolve everything. Mix, 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 mix. No? So ito siya, when we're cooking, wala na tayong ibang gagawin, no? Halo-halo na lang tayo because everything is already prepared, no? So be sure that your cornstarch is dissolved, properly dissolved. And we will add our chicken stock, no? Or seafood stock, it depends on you. So ito siya. You can use instant bouillons or whatever, ano yung trip mo. Yeah. So we're ready now. I will add oil. Heat up my pan. Oil, 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 oil. Yan. And this recipe and all the techniques that I'm teaching, and of course more, are available in my new cookbook, Simpol Kitchen Secrets, that is available in Lazada and Shopee. Kaya grab a copy, guys. Pangpabuenas ito, ha. Yan. So grab a copy of my newest cookbook, Simpol Kitchen Secrets, which has so many recipes and tips and lessons and kitchen wisdom that will make you an excellent cook. Yan. And we're ready. Garlic, our leeks. No, hindi na ako gumamit ng ibang onion. The white part of the leek is good enough to give us that onion flavor. Saute. And of course, our mushrooms. You can use dried mushrooms. But today, I have fresh mushrooms. If you're using dried mushrooms, you have to rehydrate or ibabad mo siya sa tubig, no? Dried mushrooms is actually more flavorful than the fresh mushrooms. Pero today, I have fresh mushrooms and it's very important to saute your mushrooms because the flavor compounds of mushrooms are only soluble in fat or in oil. So, sayang naman, may mushrooms ka at hindi lalabas yung flavor. So, igisa mo talaga siya. Very important. What I do now, I will just add my sauce. Let that simmer before we add all the seafood and the carrots. And of course, ito yung panglaban ko. Ito talaga yung magpapasarap at magbibigay ng authentic Chinese aroma and flavor ang ating Good Life sesame oil. And the nice thing about it is that it's made with roasted sesame seeds. Alam mo, when you roast things kasi, it will heighten the flavors, no? And look at that, nag-thicken na yung aking sauce. And of course, to finish it, we will just add black pepper. Perfect, no? Ang sarap niya. And I will drizzle sesame oil. Around 1 to 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. Chinese restaurant flavor. And now, last, because luto na yung ating seafood and carrots, this is the time I will just toss it in. Yan. Ito na siya. Ang ating crispy noodles, and ito yung ating sauce. What you do is, you serve this on the table, and you pour it in front of everyone para bonggang-bongga talaga yung inyong celebration, no? And ito siya, lalagay ko na yung aking quail eggs. Abang na yung chopsticks ko kasi kakain na rin ako, titikim na ako. And 1, 2, 3, Happy New Year! Oh my God, don't you think that's super takam? I'm sure natatakam kayo, and don't forget my promo ang Good Life Egg. Check out their website for more details for discounted prices. Kaya, pwede ba? Kain na muna tayo. Ay. So here it is, our crispy pancit canton Simpol!